abusia we amamu nyina kwa ba yesa maha ewo Adom TV so ene me wo case na ene yato amu ewo fie no enti so wo hwe wo phone so se bia wo YouTube ena wo hwe Adom TV live a wo se bem lady mete so pa che se meji medi but ene no ye ba be kan law ehun asem na wo twu be wo se nsem bebre na atwa no ho ahia saa na obroni be ka se prominent among the issues na wo twen aba eye accident ye nyina yete obi ayem di ni wom se accident kese to misi wo kentampo kwan so manipa almost 60 fm hwe wo monkwa ade e ba ne sen but the first time accident esie nie yete ehun accident si be na obi di ne car akotwi obi di ne car akopem obi kura de akobo obi amwawu obi apra ene ade insurance issues wo because kentampo de say enipa free mu ebi apra hwan de betua na anu aban se okwakofa the cost enu achi the life na nipa ni lead adwuma na oya asese de ne namobu ne nsabu no eno insurance claims e wo ho he because they be a car benya accident bi na car no insurance wo ho ti ade na insurance asem na ya asem ade na wo kwaje insurance akwa fa ha ko sign we ansa na waduru so ya fra me vim lady afia pokua wiei me ma good afternoon ba me mo ha me de asem nam eno ne insurance any road traffic offenses we are driving ni ana watchi car da wonim say a big issue say no stopping and ATM no parking and ATM you don't know yes so the boat be to automatically who you guilty adenti ne banet and e ba be traffic offenses nia na ni nyina ya to so e wo me case na for questions bra na lawyers nyambuche eya no e ma me case na anti e ba ya be case no me case ni nyina na aka wantem e wo Adom TV me case na ni e ba Tiano mana munti ene ye ha enti anya de yankase ye penti na ye ba be traffic offenses na mpepi MTTD for ne Ghana for na ya asem this week what said the driver be ni mate wo ma bu police ni bia o ma bo no pa ama asem no court ye remand o mo lawyers bi krade o mu jimo ansa na ne ye Winneba circuit court ema Weja circuit court rather o ma driver no ni mate no wa ma mu bail 10,000 to be seen in court. 10,000 for mate, no 10,000 bail for driver, no 20,000. Muguso almost inside krata nesa. Inti dey born na driver ni ya waye watumra. Ujina baby a watumra. O park a watumra. What is the difference okra in it? And you never be hwe ho asem. Uko speed a watumra. Speed limit ni say. Ni nyina wo say driver for hu. Also passenger no hu. Wo a we MTTD ni uko hu. Say the ba ho so famra. En show say na stop. And ahomete nje na me na lawyer for kase mienum ena e ba be adwuma lawyer Paul Atitogbe unim ne dada so ye obi a wota ba ha enti eta ka mra no ho nsem sa e wo hanom na lawyer Christian Labrich onu din de se jamafo na ne nananom de ma no de bia no ma ye confused oni din sa pedifo good evening good afternoon se boko de Pacho traffic offenses ya say me man so pa ma ye pa between drivers even passenger for car na ye say achi driver unti ase na ya so ye onyina ho say everybody get down unti ase ye ka say traffic offense dey na che
ye ka traffic offenses bibia ye wo in our jurisprudence it comes under the criminal aspect of the law and in criminal jurisprudence you bibia refer to straight liability offenses and all road traffic offenses are straight liability offenses. Into straight liability, so yeah, 3 more. Say in criminal jurisprudence, you would nyama tua. It was say established before you beka say obi a criminal act. Na bakuno ye freno menjia, ena bakuno so ye freno atujia. Semi-trade to numa menjia is the guilty of the mind or the intention.
Adrian wa fa po a wa bo se meye bone no.
Meye bone no. Yeah. Ena act usual ni ye the circumstances, the surrounding issues and the acts.
At the corona
why no. Inti the two must add to each other in order for us to establish a criminal act. Now say about road traffic offenses now because it is a statutory crime now. One does not need to establish say you had the mind to do it. Once it has been prescribed under that particular road traffic offense and you commit it, the law finds you liable of it.
In the road traffic offenses, we hear intention to commit the crime. Once a dipana
it's a straight liability offense.
See, and the drivers no kwa. Drivers handle near yeah,
into Ibia under Road Traffic Act, somewhere section 19 or so, parking at unscheduled places. Your friend parking at verges and on shoulders of the road. You are not permitted to park at certain portions. And I will say, Bibiano, trotro drivers, no more line into say policeman bar. Or can say to me chill, and or chill any you have that occasions with him.
One
in prayer. That one too is another offense because you are obstructing the course of justice and all of that. Into that one to come would be other counts which they can also bring against you.
I feel on the road traffic offenses charge sheets no. Eba quarter bebre to wait the bebre
bakuvechu
bakuvechu dem who hear them bakuvechu but our Paul mam busa say the unia be mark as a strict liability offenses who determines that men park show the state no and our police for not indicate say no parking no stopping shouldn't the state put a sign there's a high end parking the to me stop it shouldn't there be a conditioner ebema na ye dinse obeye boni ansa na ya charge wana
ebema mi fa chia my sister back wo okurase okurase project
because obekaso
na ma
wota akopa
yeah na ma ye boa obo adwumaden wo ho no if you asema wo kan no yes wo hwe ye road ni so a be you have be markings ebi ye yellow ebi ye white ni nyina wo ni meaning inti say wasua we no road traffic act no ana say science no very well a we won say ha yem park we do Flagstaff house we who there's a place a yellow means say whichever way yem park we no inti say traffic ni move na ebidu a so train now make sure say we move you not park on sa we no inti ni na ye di market on the road right
bala so jitum say nye be bia na road markings o
me jitum
Ubatema casino kwasi edwa so baby marking be any
mark be
so ho na police for beche hey no stopping no parking obi wo kro what car ni me say hey
emra no so kire say wo hwe act na no so kire say baby a prescribe say like a kwan ni shoulders yem park or shoulders shoulder no e bia bibi ko ye bibi briefly right but obi wa park or shoulder kra or ya obi wa park kra o CF mu no but shoulder no for like emergencies in case there's an emergency I would say we veer off the road let's walk or shoulder inti I know the mark is on the mark
and but who as driver na ya no beti me use excuse say oba na marking bia ni ho and into all right so yeah as a defense
yes it can be defense but reasonably right baby a wo park no do things even say marking you cry here baby also park it so be have say careful there's no marking say also park it and it's all park it what park it but who here who share road act anymore no so say no you can't park in such a dangerous place so no you don't even need the marking or any sign to tell you say you cannot park at this place
yeah now we can't be about actus rules near the law no more yes say road traffic offenses the any strict liability say why no there should is that even fair
no say
because the general presumption of criminal law they say two no go together until then I was say traffic offenses or any strict liability was there any objective behind it
say if we come to criminal jurisprudence now with every crime now your ingredients nyama e was say ekum na yentumi establish say say a reaper say criminal damage say murder inti nyina no because murder no untumi can say murder street liability enyesa inti nyama we used to govern the society nyina no mra omo ahihye mra eboa yenyina na yenyina yentumi ntina this country into all those running down actions, particularly those traffic offenses no more no straight liability into ebia wo drive ena wanum insa. That comes under section 5 or so of the Road Traffic Offences Act. Into wo driving say policeman who are ena policeman no under Act 30 you know somewhere section 10 or kwan or to me stop you either to arrest you and so be arrest you or say on who say there must be a reasonable inference say you are about to commit a crime or a crime is like
who determines that police in no should have a reasonable inference say assume see or Baba committed crime. Who determines that?
Yeah,
because it appears on the streets in there the police are God unto themselves. Yes.
The law has bestowed that constitutional and legislative rights on them, so that act, that exercise of rights must be exercised in the constraint of the law. To me, you see it arbitrarily, so that section 10 of the act say if the person is about to commit a crime, police no better me arresting without warrant. Now. Say crime no has been committed or better me action or why you know any form of obstruction to better me action into ebia wo the way I will drive police so share the way I will ban or feel say ebia wanu mensa into na dream no nim say section 5 of Road Traffic Act taking war na dream into mon stop you into or stop you na one who say ebia who blow fuse. Because when you can gapoa, you can't gapoa.
That's police na ne hunye.
Into say, enu na reasonable inference into your honor original omo blowers be.
Enye baby na wo.
Into say be ni ho a, oni we call police station because the Road Traffic Act no was stipulating the steps that policeman no was say on follow. Into was say oni we call police station no na on teste. Say on to me and test you or using ni reasonable inference or Phyllis says still in some one no it is beyond what he thinks is right he has to take you to the nearest medical facility in order for you to be tested.
I see.
Now say omo tested you've not gone beyond the reasonable limits now. Obe to me amao at na station no na say if you resume normality then of the case but if you go beyond it, if it is beyond it, the testing could be urine, the blowing of the sound whistle, and blood, and all of that. If it proves otherwise, then the police has other things to follow.
It's an emphasis. So police na yewe anabi kwa waye, but reasonably no when who say be a committee offense. Now be overspeeding. Wako committee offense said the Kentampodi Wokumunkrofo will come to the insurance issue. But then a cockota, how do you nipana edo cocotono? Ubeti me prove say near mana police for charges on quite do dia bono, Nina no anu ye. Because me when I was a court reporter, yeah the road traffic offenses and kofo back suspect back quarter. Accused person ye do mudua omo translating no. Omo komu bo first one. Hey! They have a very dramatic way of translating. Yeah. For that, you on this day and committed offense within the jurisdiction of so you're already confused. A bit to me, Johnson Adakani. That's why you need a lawyer. But how many of them even know that they need a lawyer? And that is why drivers in the children no.
Yeah. The thing is, say Omuchi Sana, say before sir accidents no there are few things to consider. It is either you were driving inconsiderately under section 3 of the Road Traffic Act, or ebia the one who caused you, the third party who caused you to have that accident was probably driving recklessly. And I would ya boom. Wusu would you boom no? Is it that you were also speeding? So that could be a form of contributory negligence on your part. So that ebia, so if you were driving within the reasonable limits, even though that person ahead of you was driving recklessly, because if you are driving, you should think about all
the road
parties,
users,
yes, the road users around you, so that if you too, you're unable to do that, then police, you know, kind baby, or the section 3 super chill, inconsiderate driving to road users. People, so that's what happens.
Well, there are certain offenses like conduct on the road, it amounts to dangerous and inconsiderate driving. Until section 3 now, it is careless and inconsiderate driving, meaning you are not paying attention.
Explain what amounts to careless?
Yes. One, you are not paying attention, right? Like maybe you're on your phone or something, a distraction, right? It amounts to dangerous and inconsiderate driving. It is a driver no driving on your lane, right? You are sure say you have complied with all the requirements that you're supposed to do. Now other car veered off into your lane. Why you be unto me? No, sir, accident in this year, you have a defense. You have to prove, say, me driver, no, I didn't offend anybody or any act. No, you see what the act is, right? I'm supposed to be on my lane. I'm supposed to drive within the speed limit. I was within that speed limit. I have my license. My car is insured. The DVLA is intact. Everything. I'm not driving under the influence of alcohol. You plead not guilty. Okay. That's that defense.
But issue is police for normally prosecution court. Police in Ukraine prefer charges no against you. Is it fair?
Yeah, it
police
is.
In the general police in the claim say no driving inconsiderately. Driving, you are disputing such charge,
Police share the way you are driving, right?
That is subject to
no, maybe there's a speed gun. No, what you say?
No,
you are right. We agree, right? But sometimes crowd driving, you can still say be driving dangerously. No, the way this driver is driving is beyond the limit.
Shouldn't it be proved beyond reasonable doubt?
You have to.
Therefore, there should be no doubt about Bonina driver.
Who say you are still doubting the space liability and with the intention?
Okay.
Say, see dangerous driving now under the act, section 13, no. Section 3. Okay. It talk dangerous driving. It says it puts the standard of care of a driver. It shouldn't be that expected of a competent driver, so that the act of driving that you are in should be obvious to any driver.
To be our own driving school crash, you even know, say.
Yes. Okay. Anaa say obi wako driving school. Anaa yedi L aboso which if in law the standard of a driver is also merited to you. So we don't have it. Okay. That same standard is given to you, so that if on the road the way I will drive, it's not expected of that standard. It means whatever form of driving you are driving is below that skill, that standard of care you are to express on the road. You understand? Like my brother said, say police need chiwa. Don't forget, the police will not know an accident had occurred until a complainant brings the action, the notice to the police. And they'll go through all the police requirements, and they'll do their markings, they'll come and do investigations, and the matter goes to court when they have been able to ascertain and establish.
Unfair because other places in America, police for your prosecution, district attorneys no, and prosecution. Other than Ghana, they all chill or they are coming to Jupo for the court, and then police chief inspector is prosecuting.
The issue is that with our Act 30 and our criminal jurisprudence does not permit private prosecution as compared in UK.
But that's what I'm saying. Shouldn't we amend the law?
It is up to the legislators.
There's objectiveness and fairness.
It is up to the legislators. The last time I was here, I spoke about the same. It's up to the legislator because in most situations, you find that the prosecutors, with all due respect, most of the times in which I have encountered them in my practice, I had realized that, or observing from the bar, some of the things they put out, you would see that the complainant they are representing, of which is for the state, realize that this person has a good case, but the prosecutor knows little of how to navigate himself within the law. And by that, you have a well-resourced and versed counsel for the defense who would come and put, I mean, as a defense counsel, your duty is to punch holes, create doubt, and the least form of doubt will suffice for you.
In a criminal case.
And yes, in a criminal case. And that is all that the defense needs to establish. In most cases, if the prosecution is even unable to establish their case, you enter no case for the court to determine.
Right, there's fairness. Because normally, please, for the child work no, prosecuted. There are prosecutions.
But it's the same police institution.
Oh, okay. That is it. Yes, I'm getting you.
Difficult so you or mom. But when I say another body, and but where the police has arrested people watching wrongly because that's what they be. Open police money be subu. Yes. City guard or boot you obi. Yes, or ko obi 20 Ghana cedis so. And o moche no boot no. Senkanye video ne ba ya. Lawyer.
Yeah, but you see, the unfairness if the police now the prosecute case, I mean, being the judge.
So yes.
But now, no, actually, no, whatever they have to present that fact to an independent arbiter.
Okay. To the judge.
To the judge. Until there is the wisdom of the judge. No one say no, you are guilty or you are not guilty. Okay. But since you are more constitute when then I could say so.
I have insurance. So, because I've heard me case and I was Doom TV and I have traffic offenses and insurance. Yeah, when you accident, insurance will be danger. Who case and only case. Now, insurance companies are brofo. Normally, I share so you can't know insurance. How many times do you even check insurance paper? No, yeah, but it's here. I was about some makwaba bio you live at Doom TV so you was you unim say last week yeah any akwaja abas body award kese pa Gold Coast Excellence Awards ni nyina TV say program me case here once a week but if o share enipa dodo a de me case bo omo a enipa ebo ha law aye chiremu anka nya me case a bebre hon man konte emra no krase sabi obi sisi no kra no we sisi na fa no ho enso mo case nti etumi kire emra na se a ema nkrofo eti ase nem nkrofo bebre hu se omo right and oba ba ku case e kwa atwifo praso a be ma ni kunu one neti o so pa apesie wa anya apesie na amani nti be ma no so obi abeche oba no fufuo ne nkwan a be ma di DDT akogu nkwan ni so oba no ene ne ma omo no mu wu aya che na ko police station be ma ni gina kokoti ya me na me de gu mu che se boga kapo obekum nipa and is proud. She say, and so mammy will crash. She knew, say, Papa Atumra, and not the coin. Okay, Sana. It's baby, I will be a or show more case, Sana. Who say, a boapa, young so near your law, no be so at the count. In the road traffic offenses near Sanchez, insurance, accident here, insurance, a bed and OIG. Taxi drivers and church drivers, yes, Simupa, Monty, and then Yaba, lawyer Paula, to Benami without issue no for a case now, police for the prosecuting. But you told me I'm insurance, so say car. Ghana has said the amranity and also can be any roadworthy certificate. Onya insurance. Now onya license or they ever driving.
Yes, driver.
Inti accident is here. I don't insurance here. Then I'm running account.
Near Emrani says accident is here. First thing I usually say the car no is roadworthy to first be on the road. 2, car no insurance ana. You say insurance no na ebe cover obi a wepra. Because the insurance means why insure or liability on the road.
Okay.
In the driver no driver so also who to me and to me onya your license. Inti says nyama means nyina is valid. Then here. In the 4th one no you say if the car is 4, I mean the insurance for 4 people and not what for 5 are difficult. Meaning it's likely you might not get it. Say 4.
I don't know insurance thing cover nipa for no nya back no.
No, who is the one? Until we start coming for him. You see, until you have 4, 5 people, now insurance near 4, it is very difficult. But if the insurance,
just say insurance,
no. But if the occupants near 4, and the insurance, no, the when you see a 4, they are very easy. Until all that you need is to report to the police station, get the police report, get the medical report if there's an injured, then you proceed. Now, who qualifies
for insurance?
Insurance. One, the insured.
A driver no, the insured no.
The insured, yes, he can claim policy. In this funny say, be our car comprehensive. Now, car say yes, you can. But third party no car known to me. Why third party no car known to me.
Yes, it will be a car na bonidium.
Obi a car bonidium. In na obi a insured car no cause damage to this property.
Ono so beti me.
In a victim.
Onya wo car no victim obi car for no.
Victim. Obi a car na insure no. Ama oya victim no obeti me. In an administrator for say be at say kintampo de PAU. It is a base uko claim insurance. I also call letters of administration. Right. Na court no mouse at 2 minutes and so obeti me they file for insurance claim no.
How long does it take Ghana Hanum typically so obenya insurance?
Claim no. If we may be me say best 6 months in do baby I.
We come back cause over 4 years because minimum be there be 6 years ni. Papa na reso a common
no, so 6 years
there. Court acquire criminal aspects ma we win case no. Insurance so atwintwan.
Well criminal need the no the state.
Criminal no was complainant. Court no jail back no convicted. Fine mom but they convicted him. To which means a good case.
Yes, our case.
But insurance na be seen in Sankai.
What happens if I may come? For the sake of our listeners, let me explain what insurance is.
Okay.
Insurance, it is an agreement. It's a contract between an insurance company and then someone who is seeking to insure his property, in this case his car, and any liability that would come off it. So that in the insurance of a vehicle, you can do what we call TP policy, third party policy, or comprehensive.
What's the difference, Macho Chechemu?
Comprehensive, it covers both the insurer and all liabilities that flow from the accident.
Into who nipa na wa insure car any bibia ebesi wo car no.
Bibia ebesi.
Either beka onipo beka another car can nyina.
Yes, it covers everything.
And comprehensive.
And it's more expensive.
Okay.
And
third party.
What do you call it? The insurance commission, they have a formula they use to calculate the cubic and all that to come up with what is for comprehensive and what is for third party. Now, the third party is the cheaper of the two. It's around 370 or so. And with that one, it has a certain drawback. What are those drawbacks? It says that it is the third party who can make claims to whatever damage you have caused.
Nti the old car na no and now they are bonny dem no pay beti make claim insurance.
Yeah.
Una car they want to make claim insurance.
No, it's
under third party.
Under third party.
And also so na drivers ni truck one day taxi for na no mo yo.
Yeah, under third party. So
but do they know why the difference? Omunim. Drivers are money so money
for that one, the car owner who is applying for the insurance should know, because if you go to the insurance broker or the insurance company, they would explain to you the policies available and based upon the money you have.
Do they explain enough? Because maybe they minimally say, in my experience, insurance companies, oh, you're comprehensive, you're third party. Once a third party, they say, oh, where they for into the NYA. Everybody goes for their
effort. It is the duty
without realizing implication. No?
It is the duty of the insurance company to explain to you which policy you are applying for, so that if they inform you that with third party, your claims would not be so much as compared to comprehensive, then you are well informed and you know what you are applying for. Now, when the accident occurs, the insurance company in where the lawyer is making applications for, will need.
I am a person of because typical way, no lawyers in your application for insurance for. Ordinary people now they call your money.
Okay.
Yes.
In situations,
engage lawyers.
if
Mostly yes.
if you go and they tell you to engage lawyer, what the lawyer would make sure he has in his custody some of these are the medical reports.
Medical reports, okay.
The
Police
accident reports, that's the police statements and all of those things. And any relevant report that speaks to the incident, injuries that you've occasioned, pictures and other things.
And police are they liable say uko busa say yemfa accident report mo mo de be ma because no so a problem
they'll give it to
you pay for.
You pay for it.
You pay for it, yeah.
Which you have for it?
Yeah.
Even the medical report, you pay for it.
Medical report, we say 200 Ghana cedis.
You pay
Let's
for
just
it.
say Kroma upe justice, pa unya justice.
No, so yeah.
This is what you have for
It
justice.
must be official.
Yeah.
But that is not fair.
Well, it is.
Yeah.
That is not fair. Uno be ayo bone. When you accident, we prebi kwa woda kolebu. You be in ebi a POP kra nyankopon kra na uti here say if you are alive. But the second time the people are bent beyond recognition. I must say. Omo busuani ba afena police report na mo kan ube chase akokano. That be 3 months and not 4 months.
Normally no. Intina me colleague ne kan. Who engage lawyer easier because once a lawyer writes, yes, please by 1 week, 2 weeks, you have your police report. And maminka we in fact third party no. When say third party no, aya driver ni mate crank cover.
Driver ni mate and cover.
It doesn't cover.
Into car on a cry third party man say be ojimi.
The third parties who have sustained the damages.
Into go obi a driver before be obi car no so check say the car no e comprehensive. Nya say
no comprehensive there no commercial car be comprehensive because comprehensive is expensive as he said. But insurance they will tell you say you better enya policy amount driver no meet which is different from the third party. Into why a third party if you want a policy to cover or driver no mate now and you see a separate because accident back when the mate died. Into we apply for the mate you see there be the mate no say scabi o mat or the ombema driver ni mate ni na 2000. So in case a driver
2000 Ghana cedis.
So in case a driver
Ghana cedis.
Exactly. So driver no ni mate ni we are omo no na check 2000. Until now no driver no is alive but the mate no. Until 2000 we have to decide who takes the 2000 but the other occupant being the third party no, they are entitled.
A lawyer tio mo amuti krom ha na as lawyers mutina ho na de mra we di nkofo a it's not fair.
It is not fair.
Is it not indictment on your own calling? Because 2000 Ghana cedis for insurance. 20 million.
Let me
explain
something. Let me explain.
Only insurance.
No, I said third party no. It doesn't cover driver and mates. By way be omo chat work okay.
Say why don't we make it mandatory say because of the nature of commercial accidents every commercial vehicle should be comprehensive.
It's impossible.
It's impossible.
Even in the advanced countries or the advanced jurisdictions, there are always varied insurance policies so that
isn't there mandatory insurance policy for more commercial activities?
Under the Insurance Act and then the third party insurance Act, it is mandatory for every vehicle on the road of Ghana to be insured. It is a basic requirement.
And it should be comprehensive.
No, it could either be comprehensive. It doesn't state. It doesn't.
But that's my difficulty, lawyer.
It doesn't.
That's my difficulty, lawyer. Say as long as a commercial vehicle or they fat and crowdfunding, the law should make it mandatory. Say who the year commercial business are.
The law.
Yeah, no comprehensive.
The law has provided in the law of tort. In the law of tort.
Oh, lawyer.
And
lawyer, we are long ago.
No, you see, as a lawyer for your client, you should exhaust all means possible for your client.
Lawyer, you see,
so that
my difficulty is who court even for a simple procedure. No, easy, sir.
If I may, but if you are suing in tort, the amount of money you are going to get will be more than what you claim in insurance. Depending on the injuries.
How many tort cases na Ghana even law faculty most of the cases we use are not Ghanaian cases.
I am coming to say that. The reason that our law of tort is not as expectant as you are saying is that in Ghana we have what we call the syndrome of Yemfama Nyame. And the law of tort as started or developed historically it means wrongful injury inflicted on somebody. You understand? So that if a wrong has been occasioned on you, and you say yemfa manyame, how will our tortious jurisprudence develop?
Now, so that what I bet you any legal fees. So who represent two badges can be?
Yeah.
Or
it depends on you. It depends on the client, and you may decide on success fee, so that given all the evidence that you have medical report, you have police report, you have every form of evidence or indictment indicating that indeed your client representing whatever tort has been occasioned is traceable to the tort fees, then you have a day in court. At the end of the day, if it comes to the damages, because in tort you have to establish all those duty of care, the breach, causation, and all that. That's notwithstanding, if you come to the damages, we have compensation. And compensation, per this jurist in the UK, Lord Scammon, he said that with respect to compensation, the tortfeasor must pay money, which is in damages, to the claimant in the tort action to put him in the state of affairs he was in before.
But lawyer, you and I know, say
yes.
You can never be restored. No amount of money can be given to you in any case. Lawyer, me person we are realistic say in Ghana's court just last week, Justice Osei Tutu was here, and you admitted say case is checked or court because of your procedure, and court. Filing fees because some people, stems from the fact that people can just not go to court. It's not go. They can't.
That one I leave it for the judicial service.
Oh,
and
even the CJs,
and administrators of justice. If you don't have money to access legal services from private practitioners, judicial service has provided through acts and then legislature. Provided for legal aid, so that
because legal aid not lawyer leverage. Oh no, yeah, UK lawyer. Legal aid. I have brought them here. They are just for legal aid.
If you are third party and comprehensive.
Okay.
Claims no. So claimer. It doesn't depend whether a third party or comprehensive. Right.
Claims.
Yes. So no, if you are injured. Now we don't look at say. Car no a third party way, but the difference is third party the insured the car owner they don't repair your car. They only repair the third party. Okay. But comprehensive they better repair the third party and repair also car. Okay. If there's a claimer, it doesn't is that a difference in the Musa.
But
they could even buy you your car.
Yeah, the comprehensive
So more lawyers now more comprehensive
Yes, especially
since I was thinking I by force so commercial transport there also comprehensive.
No, and no might not be so. Sina make them but now say yes shame say I say take a policy to cover the driver and the mate. Because third party sees the driver and the mate as part of car into passengers only third party don't benefit but it doesn't cover the driver and the mate. There's a policy I will say every commercial way take a policy to cover the driver and the mate. So in case of accident it's like in Tampo the second third party driver and the mate are not covered. It's only the passengers. So now let's look at the comprehensive. Now the comprehensive say they look at the value of your car.
Yeah, okay.
So in case of any accident, they can replace your car or put the car in the state in which it was before the accident. But the third party need no fix it. Say even third party if you come with the figure. Say it is insured at 4,000. In this all damages somebody's car, they will fix that car to the tune of 4,000.
They won't go beyond.
No, they won't go beyond 4,000. The
insurance, is it really serious?
People just want to take something to represent something. So, on your ready to insurance policy, but 1 year, please, at least once I was take a bit honor as to how much it covers, nobody comes in. Now, when
the insurance patrol, who show me case and I live on Adum TV. So, and traffic offences, any insurance claims. Into a truck driver, we a taxi driver, we a Uber, we ordinary driver obi dey abọ came na na dey abọ obi came wo insurance question na wa fe na lawyer say tumi acheche omu say wo case na ya wo hu say wo case na say the lawyer ka no fama nyame sa nti Ghana usua law kra na e taught law na usua ye di cases papa bia wo Ghana aye di so bia fama nyame because court kra man say unu court dem ho no na wo sika de ko fa lawyer oye kra lawyer ko consultation 10,000 lawyer bi on ma consultation case no be do 1,000 the other chow kra ni na je so ye no busu any 1,000 uni bi 1,000 no wo kapre uni bi nti ya de na ade akọ no ho nti wo case na ade aba na lawyers abo na sebi fama nyame no edoso ya mamra no enye adwuma lawyer amra back to you while you be train for course no
now make us say in case of death now what the law looks at is say
mama fama ya na membra on patch mama ya patch good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patch what say
good afternoon Stefia
me tie o ka say free here
me ka say free po
okay yen tie o question no
and that topic is very, very good. My husband had in a car, and obedient in a car before my husband Jim. But echo you say no. There was my husband mom, and I was say or repair any pan in a car.
Mommy, it's you.
No, maybe say not a right. I was say yes, Anaa.
So, ono no de ne car no bo obidiem.
Obi lady bi na de be ball my husband mom Jim.
So anti ono mom o ya victim ono na ko ye ne car no.
Onu mom na ekoye lady ne car ne ma no.
Well, ebi ana ono I don't know, ebi ana ono no de be bo mu a possible sir.
Yes.
Ono mom ya de aboni de mu no.
Accident is here. Please for your sketch. Right. The scene.
Sketch
point of contact. It is a point of contact no no lay mu a. That is a wo na akọ ni lay mu no de ball.
Okay. Sister mama so what you say so ebi ana ukunu ni de no kodi sister ne ka nim ti na wadwen be so no de abọ ukunu no but ukunu mom no wakodi ni lay mu ti ono wato mra no. Ya bra Brahima good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
About you can say free here.
Person Kaswa.
Kaswa yenti o question no.
Mpacho me taxi driver.
Okay.
Na nam kwan so anajo ana obi be ball me ken e ho no ma me ho chi. Na ne so tie na chete nipa no eni ho. E ma wo ma mo be yi ni free ken mo no. E ka chem se nipa na adwan. Enti o mo de me ko hospital. Ti ni ye na ko ye case na o mo nka na ko chi. Nipa no ba 3 days time. O be pa me che o ka chem se o pe se atemo no e ka police station to be hwe me hospital bo na ba ye ka mi ye aman. Ama e chiri be 3 weeks. Me kwada akwale bi se me nya nke na breed o mi timi ka kitikiti anka mi wi ama mo papa mi tiri mu eye emergency ni free mu nti o tia ba o timi bi tia no ati no be 1 week time a o hwe me wi tia no ati me hu ni bio friend so on fa car no so o ye car no di ba bi afa de me friend na onya me obi onya
na chesa mo de mo an insurance sem kra so
debi up to now hu no me so ma ba be fi be 1.5 year ana menye adwuma afena mitina to me master ti adwuma kakra
eno kwa wi awadwe na ye so nwato bi kwa na ho kra ntu edan to lawyers be yi anu ama watinti pacho nya bucheti why your brother justice pacho good afternoon
I'm apom de ze
yakopon adra mo ka se free here
e ka se free blame of achoma fusu
fosu de ne anchen wa na mi school no won uni ma me nem Ayi akwam no mbo se vim lady vim foundation esi school dan go yi foforo mo no chia pa ma school for nkora no udu a we twa mi salute mo ya galamse o ho ma anye school dan no vim foundation abe ya ma mo galamse esika na mu di so ho ma so ba ya she ro ma so ba ya she ba je ti o question no
ma yi na me was sprinter no konya accident e wo kuma squaso ma police for mu test officer bibia the boss and say come in some mamitua onas ni nyina sika ma the police for ma me paper say let me dey akọ insurance o me dey akọ nkoko ya blank up to date afemi from kra amunfa
insurance for
no cafe say enne you be am abo police for na man here say almost me fam kokot court so adade ni Juma ye hu na wakokot di mi hu se mi hu ne amenye ama ka ma bonyi na aya meka teze nka insurance nko entua kakra kra ma me so me kwa asem there's someone can hear in me.
Right, my other person can be a program your friend and for insurance company in my way. Now lawyers interest on Beboa why?
But the me friend line we are.
Aye, free way why? You. My for another person. Hello, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
But you guys free here.
But your friend.
What's what they say, Ima?
Because tema, your friend.
Aha, tema he.
Tema, committee 2.
Committee. I saw him say committee 2 mayor no any o. I don't know from the headquarters no committee 2 there all there. Now okay, so they say mbacho yenti why?
We case me say me so me machine operator, crane operator. Na last let me hear juma. In the say juma no fa container no a uko wuchi. Na wejina for the truck and a number na wo the container na be so. But you see and say me fa container you na me ko me na me pack here no me jina how e twen car no. And a car no mumu ba no. Ode ne car ne head no be pem be hit ni container na ma fa na me jina ho no. Na police for ne ba mu no. Omo say omo person omo be nya me license na their process bi. And I made them license no e come am. They are also saying say they need the original license no. In the original license no me ko gi ba no na me copy na me dem am. Almost still omo nya card na nkasa. They say omo aji copy no apni aji original card na nkasa kan.
Now almost say that one committee offense and assessing.
It may be a for
But omo catch us one committee offense and assessing.
They catch almost in committee offense there, but they just need my license to run some process.
There was so much process chrono why? Omo be to me do license how explain the process nature. Mr. Wa no there. Omo nya you can give it to them. Omo nche process chrono dey kwaye. Why? Your property, and you be a property. So they cannot just come and take it. Say one wire bonnet there. They cannot come and do that. Who know why bonnet under the constitution? They are supposed to read you your rights, explain to you bonnet why the ingredients. I'll be here. I'll be here to me, yes, sir. Nana, good afternoon. Oh, Nana, on my last caller, where they have fetched me so official. What questions in me and near or more answers?
Baku, I want to pick the second one. Kaswadiano. Or send a car no. Or
the born no hit and run or co a chain or buy.
No buy, yes. Share where buy, let us say. Nipano ni nababeka. Well, international a farmer nyami syndrome.
Exactly.
Banka say yeah now the call please. Well, please will report now. But I claim for insurance because please bemwa they will take the insurance details of both cars. Yeah. Well, the name of the cars and every information about the cars. Until with that, you can go to the insurance company and prosecute for your insurance claim. Be or no not as any panels of a show. Send all kinds of nippons as penicacra. In this old friend zombie. Yes, wapim. Yes, but the guy na can insurance no woman that could have compensated you a bit.
But not as they say, baby, I don't to me fan cocoa to me find.
No, if police will report now, what magic that cocoa? Anyway, send you 3 years. There you can go back to the insurance claim.
After 3 years, they want to me.
Yes, after 3 years. Yes. After 3 years, they want to me.
How about the other one?
Yeah, I mean, with respect to the insurance, when you have 6 months. 6 months to make claims.
6 months after accident, no?
Yeah, 6 months to make claims. Within the 6 months, the Act further gives an extension to a year.
Okay.
Now, aside that, you also have 3 years under statute of limitations to also make claim for negligent cases, of which emanates from.
I know for civil case.
Yes, because if you are going to pursue for claims, it also consists of that, or it flows out of it, it's born out of that. Also, no, that is even the reason why I'm saying this. There's a case that was brought to me, and the person stood by for the criminal side to exhaust. And by the time the criminal side exhausted, the civil side that he ought to pursue to had long also expired. Now, in certain situations, it is a 50-50 situation where you could make an application to the court, given the situation of the claimant, so that your client probably the accident, yes, he was admitted and all that, so that given that seeing all the pictures and what you have pleaded in your applications and all that, I've read in your applications, I mean, the court could give that discretion and make an order for extension within which you can bring an action.
Okay, look, me say your home so na e for more questions to be. They say yes, he a card no. Or case and I can see he says some for more. Oh, also a driver truck crane airport. I mean, obi na de boy no, nyon no de boy ni pakro no.
Yeah, I mean, photocopy
license.
Change almost say omo de license, omo file
photocopy.
Also the photocopy am but still omo say.
I mean, the police could always run. Now we are in a digital age. DVLA has the registry of all. Yes, so it's so easy for the police to even. In fact, they can even call DVLA and give out your serial number and numbers to verify whether this person is a licensed driver or not. Instantly, they will be able to tell. So
I didn't think license. Because when they say who chum na car ball, who license here, who are car ball, who license here then. So a beer not steering the chief. Then please, you are right to ask for. I say. Okay, continue.
I was about me okay, and then come on by the base here. Next week, you have to answer more issues on me case. You have a lady, if you are podcast, then come up production team led by Sarah. Yama Monife.